We're taking a nap. Ah, that was
Don't
refreshing.
have to.
Oh, good work.
Ah!
I hear the music this time.
Ah, so we gotta eat.
Yeah, dude.
What do you mean we got
What are you
it?
doing?
Hold on,
Hey.
let's eat real quick.
Yep.
Oh, he
can't
said stay
hold any
close.
more.
We gotta go.
Oh, jeez.
Wait.
Okay.
I got the munchies.
You should have
Well,
thought about it before you
now
opened the
got
door.
the munchies, dang it. Sorry.
Hey, now I gotta put all my creepy armor
All
on.
these crosses are gold.
You're gold.
Oh, what is that? Is that lava?
Looks like it.
Yep.
Hey, I can't see jack squat.
Oh,
Where'd you guys have to
demon!
go?
Demon.
Take the
Lots of
cross.
demons! Oh,
Take
there's
the
lots of
cross.
demons. Where's my cross?
Burn them all. Burn, demon. Burn.
Oh, he's popping off. Yeah, get him.
Burn.
Get some.
Burn.
Power of Christ!
Burn.
You know,
They're not like the others. Yeah, we know, buddy.
We've dealt with these before.
I don't think I can hold any more creepy armor.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can't.
Oh, he is moving.
He
Yeah,
is moving.
very-
Holy cow.
Very nasty.
Oh, what was that? Something. There's
I'm
something
gonna
on
do
the
this
ground.
real quick. I'm gonna put that as my number 2, so I can pull that out quickly.
All right, boys. You're packing some dump for your secondary.
Huh?
Your secondary is a load of crap.
You mean a cross?
No. You said it's your number 2.
Yes. My secondary is not a number 2. My number 2, which is
Buddy.
secondary,
Yeah.
is a cross.
You go see mom and get dressed for bed.
Here, we'll just let. I bet he has infinite ammo.
Yeah,
We'll just let him.
please.
Yeah, most likely.
Please, bud. I'm trying to do
There, come
something
on.
here.
There's a
I've
lot
waited
of
2 months to
lava.
do this. Please let me do this.
Yeah, buddy. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Oh, there's a demon falling. Ah, burn.
I don't even know where these. Oh, there it is.
Burn.
What do you call this? Don't we go like that?
Nothing like burning demons in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, there, look. There's Anakin.
Ah,
A little crispy.
loser.
Jake.
Wow.
Burn,
My
demon.
I could. Get that down.
Well, Timmy's armor's normal again.
There's a lot of lava. Oh gosh, I fell.
Yeah, you did.
Whoa.
Oh.
What was that?
These are gold skeletons.
Oh my. Isn't that nice?
This cave is crazy.
Right? Feel like we're just rushing through it, but you know.
I wonder if this
it's
isn't
pretty
like
nuts.
lava. I wonder if it's gold. Molten gold.
Molten gold. He's
Maybe that's why they
possible.
came here.
This looks old.
Maybe that's the real
This
reason
does
they
look
came.
old.
Give me a flashlight.
Oh, got a fart.
Ooh, that's nice.
Sorry, ruining the immersion here.
By making some emulsion.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't like that bridge.
I don't like that bridge either.
That's all right.
Oh, it's all right. That's all it is.
Hey, did it do its job?
I mean,
Oh,
yes,
I collected a note.
but barely.
The more wicked his heart, the more grotesque the creature that dwells within.
Amen.
Dimensional Ascension Ephesians. Nice.
Yes. Burn.
Burn them all.
Burn.
Yeah, Mr. Unlimited Ammo. Why don't you keep shooting at this guy here? Nice. Yeah. Give it to him.
Yeah.
Timmy, are you running away?
Burn.
Yeah.
Burn. Burn. Little Timmy ran away.
Oh, he stopped. Oh,
Timothy.
no.
Oh, that hurt me. Dang it.
Did you run into the lava?
No.
No. He
Oh,
jumped
more
too
gold
far.
skeletons.
Man, Timmy is booking it.
He knows the way.
I don't know if he knows this, but we typically go at a slightly slower pace.
Hey, he wants to play Valheim too. I can't blame him.
Who wants to try shooting them?
I mean, I kind of
They do just keep coming.
Oh, they're fire
wow.
immune
Oh, there's a
too.
lot of-
That's nice.
Burn.
For them,
Get some.
but not cross immune.
Burn. Ouch. Just stop it and burn. Just burn.
Frickin'
dude.
scorpioning us.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, there goes Austin.
Boiling like lava.
Oh, there's some electricity happening down here.
Oh yeah, I see it.
We got some demon action.
We got some demons across. Austin!
Oh, there's some lightning over there.
Are you
Are you
welcome to
sure?
the party?
Yeah, thank you. I was eating food. Oh, you came out of nowhere.
Where have you been, good sir? Oh, more of them
I've
coming,
been-
flanking.
I've been eating food.
Been farting around. That's what you've been doing.
No, the farting comes after.
For demons.
Oh, can't even carry it. Okay.
The block sucks in this game.
You gotta time it.
Well, you have to like. It takes like half a second to even. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Get.
Man, if you came down here and you didn't have the cross,
Right?
that'd make life a little bit more difficult.
A lot of it.
I know, between having like all of us here and having the cross, it's like super simple.
What happened here? I don't know, man. What happened here?
You tell me.
Yeah, Mr. Timothy Chalamet.
Timothy.
Oh, what is that?
Can I drink the lava?
This cavern is crazy.
I
Your
know.
lava.
Okay, I don't like the implications of that.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Keep it PG.
Timmy's doing work with his gun, though. I'm gonna say that. He's a deadeye.
Yeah, he is.
Deadeye Timmy. That's what they call him.
Oh!
big
that
deep.
thing? Do you see
Oh!
Big
Demon!
mother
Kill it!
demon.
Kill
it?
it!
You. It is Timmy.
Oh! He's eating Timmy!
Oh, Timmy.
He's eating Timmy!
Oh, Timmy.
Oh, no.
Oh, Timmy's going berserk.
Dude, Timmy's...
Whoa,
wait.
Timmy's fighting.
Dude, Timmy's fighting!
Go, Timmy. Be free.
I don't even know if I need.
Oh,
to
shoot!
Be
Good
free from
grief.
your
Oh, he just
force.
jumped
It's on the ceiling! It's on the ceiling! It's on the ceiling! Oh, it's down!
Oh, he just
Shoot
jumped
it.
me.
Where'd Timmy go?
Oh, good. Great.
He got hit over in the corner.
Ouch.
It's on me. Help.
Line her up!
This is what the ammo's for, boys.
Oh, she's dead. She's dead.
No,
She's dead.
alive.
She's
No,
not
it
dead.
ain't
She's
dead.
not dead.
Oh,
Ouch.
man.
Reloading.
She's not letting me reload. Guys, I need help. I need help.
The power.
Popping
Go
some
back
pills.
to the darkness.
Back to the abyss.
To the void. Oh,
Flame of the doom.
Where'd she go? Where is she? Ah!
She's up top. Got her. Shoot her in the face.
how do you like this cross?
Oh.
I'm pretty cross with you.
Question: why have we personified this demon as a female?
I know.
Right up the Jackson. Ow! Guys!
I got
dead.
stabbed
It's
for.
dead.
It's dead.
Oh.
Well, there
I'm gonna
goes all
skin
our
this
ammo.
Yes!
I barely spent
I
any
can't
ammo.
carry it, but I'm skinning it.
Same.
Yeah, skin it. Yeah.
Alright, where the heck did Jimmy go? Is he alive?
He went down that hole. He got knocked down there.
Yeah, the Timmy hole.
Tim.
Oh, this don't look good at all. Oh, good ammo. Oh,
that's
yeah.
not good sign.
No, this is great.
That's.
Oh, you're right.
Oh,
This isn't a
no.
good sign.
Oh,
got
This isn't a good
ammo.
sign at all. Oh my goodness!
We
Look how much
got
ammo is
ammo.
here.
all this
We got
ammo, all this meds.
Holy crap! This is gonna be crazy.
I'm so
Oh,
excited.
this is gonna be one heck of a
All right, gentlemen.
bombs, grenades.
Ain't no one holding back on anything
Wait,
here.
I gotta make some sticky bombs.
No, there's sticky bombs right here.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
There's so many grenades.
Holy
Maybe we have to
crap.
come back here. All right, hold on,
Very
Austin. Hold on, Austin. Hold on. Gonna make some grenades and stuff. All
Why?
right, I need to drink
Why?
something.
There's
I
sticky
can't carry
bombs.
anymore.
There's
anyways.
Yeah.
there's so many sticky bombs and grenades here. You don't need. We can make multiple trips.
All right, I need to drink something, eat
This is
something.
crazy.
Yeah, I drank something, ate something,
Take some
got
meds.
put some creepy armor on. All right, I'm ready to go. Let's rock.
Right?
All
Well,
right.
this would actually be a good time for the gold armor because the demons, it's a 70% reduction.
Yeah, maybe I will. I'll try doing that.
Because that's what I've been wearing, and I haven't gotten really hit at all. I mean, I got low at one
All
time.
right,
fighting the big
wait. Is Buck better than
Witch.
Slug, or is Slug
Oh, I
better
should
than
make
Buck?
sure.
old- it depends. Honestly,
All right.
not the answer you wanted, but that is the
I'm
answer.
using Slug
All right, is
ammo.
everyone ready? Oh, you
Yeah,
ready?
How do you know if
Let's
they're on
move.
Buck or Slug?
I don't think you do know.
No, it's if you go down, it'll say set to Slug when you change it out.
Mine is literally my game is so bugged. I think because I'm running this server, I don't get
Oh,
any words on my screen. Don't show up.
Oh yeah, this is a door now.
All right, let's move. Oh,
Ready,
it's
Okay, I'm ready.
all of
my
us
crossed
have to
out.
do it. Like it won't let us do it. Until, oh, you just bumped
Oh,
me out of the
okay.
way.
Oh, I see.
Ready?
Huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, 3 or 4.
Oh, I see. Interesting. Okay.
Keep your friends
Oh,
close.
crap.
Complete the story with a friendly.
It's time.
Oh, it's time.
No, 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 no.
Oh shoot. Oh,
Oh, who was that?
Virginia and Kelvin are in here with us.
15, 14, 13, 12.
Okay.
12.
Oh, he's not happy.
Oh, what's going on with my hands? Man. Oops. Whoa.
We found Atlantis.
This
Correct,
city
we
of
did.
gold.
There's a soul that just came in. There's souls flying at us.
It's the cultist.
Oh yeah, these are all the people that killed themselves. In their robes.
Oh, yeah.
What is this place? Oh, his hands are going creepy.
Oh,
There's
no.
creepy guys. What's going on with Tim?
I think he gets that way. It's like turns into the Hulk, you know? Where's Timmy? Oh.
This was supposed to fix me. It's making me worse.
Oh no.
Is that him?
Timmy, buddy. We're gonna have to put Timmy
What
down.
about Virginia?
Virginia. What's going on
Kelvin's
with
just
Virginia?
sitting there like always.
Virginia.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh.
Hi, Virginia.
she died. She did.
Did Kelvin shoot her?
Dude.
Wait, what just happened? What's
It's a
it?
very abrupt.
Oh.
Very abrupt cut. Don't blame the server.
Oh.
Oh, big fat fatty.
What the
Oh.
heck?
Oh.
Oh my. Oh, Timmy, your hand. Oh,
Oh, did he just?
what
his
the
hand
heck
popped
is this?
off? Oh,
This
I
is
don't know.
not in the
Light switch.
tutorial I watched.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh, it's gonna eat him. It's gonna eat him.
Oh.
Oh. Did he just say what was in the future?
What was in the?
Oh, what was in the cube?
Oh, what was in the
Oh,
cube?
oh, Timmy.
Timmy.
Who is this?
Shotgun!
Oh, we're fighting.
Oh shoot. Holy crap.
Alright, incoming sticky bomb. Oh, I missed.
Oh, I need to reload. This actually might be a better time for creepy armor. Oh, babies! He just spat babies at me.
All right, boys.
Leave
I
him
want
alone.
I want fire superiority. Yeah, keep it coming.
I don't even know what I have loaded. Oh yeah, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. Sick.
Ouch! Oh, that hurt. Oh, he's on me, guys.
Oh yeah,
man,
Christian,
he
you're gonna
wants
die.
me.
Wait,
He
I have
wants
some
me.
grenades, I'm coming.
Where's my
Oh,
Molotovs
no.
at?
Oh, he jumped in front of me.
Hey, someone drop some Molotovs.
Oh, we
on
got
me.
cannibals. We got cannibals coming in.
No, he's dead.
Oh, he's
He's
dead.
dead. Yeah. We gave it to him,
yeah.
all right, boys.
Yeah, that's definitely new from the update full release.
You made it.
Oh, this ain't
You're
over.
okay. Oh god, they're coming.
Dad.
They're getting closer. We have to leave.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what's happening?
What is that?
Did we get all 6 pieces?
Oh,
Maybe we get
that's the thing.
No, so that's the choice. We either go in the helicopter or we choose the thing. I'm going in the helicopter.
Going in the helicopter.
Don't touch it.
Yeah.
But what happens if you touch it?
If you choose that, then you stay on the island. If you go in the helicopter, it ends the
It
game.
ends the game.
Yeah. Well, this is end game, but it's whether you want
Right.
to go into.
It's whether you want to
survive
continue, survival or just leave.
end the story.
Okay, so we're doing the story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done.
They're getting closer. We have to leave now.
Oh shoot.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh.
oh. Virginia, get in!
Virginia's back all of a sudden.
Yep,
Oh.
apparently.
Oh.
No!
Oh, Timmy.
Oh, babies! Mutants!
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Gross.
that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that one's screwed.
You got, what is that Timmy or Kelvin? Oh, there's Kelvin.
Timmy.
Timmy and Kelvin.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh shoot.
mutant on our leg!
Kick it off.
Oh, the other helicopter died. Oh, nasty arm.
Uh-oh.
Slinky.
Allow me.
Yeah. How can this pilot even see what he's doing?
I don't think he
What
can.
are we doing?
This is intense.
Oh, there's
Oh, shoot.
another one.
Oh, shoot.
Ouch.
Dang.
Cut to black. Well, is that it?
No.
Ah,
I was
Sons
gonna
of
say,
the
there no
Forest.
I wasn't. I want to see the end of the story.
I need you.
no.
It's getting worse.
Oh.
Look at me. Look at what I'm turning into. I need your help.
I've told you I can't help you.
And what about with
Love you,
this?
bud.
Oh no.
Where did you get this?
Oh,
Is Timmy gonna turn?
Oh, look, Timmy.
Oh, no.
so there's going to be a Sons of the Forest 3?
Oh, it's Kelvin.
Okay. Oh, it is Kelvin.
He's playing with Lincoln Logs.
Yeah, he knows how to build.
Yeah, he knows how to
We
build a
taught him
house.
well.
We taught him that.
He, like, he just
Ah.
lost his hearing. He
Oh, he
didn't.
just said thank you.
No, he's bringing.
I guess he was more than just deaf.
I guess so. Well, I guess that explains why he's not very good at following orders.
Yeah.
So Virginia didn't die. She was just sick or something.
Yeah.
She's going to take that $794 billion and get some limbs removed.
Yeah, look at that. Bought a Porsche with it.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, here we go.
Is she pregnant?
Oh,
5
There's
months
baby.
later.
She is.
You guys are ahead of me.
Oh,
yeah, I think West.
Oh yeah, look at that.
she's preggers.
Probably it looks like with our baby.
Yep,
Yeah.
looks like it.
Wait. Well, my baby.
No, it's my baby. Wait,
Whatever.
was she with you too?
She was all this.
Oh, I don't want to see what I think I'm going to see.
Is it gonna be a demon baby?
Oh,
No, it's Kelvin.
Don't say that. It's a pretty scenic route, though. Oh, what's Kelvin doing out there?
He's their older child. Still in his PJs.
The movements of the car and the movements of the steering wheel don't line up very well.
Don't pay attention to that.